Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce. My name is Yepi Ameningsi. Here I will retell the story of Cinderella. Film Cinderella after losing her mother at a young age. Ella, father must lady to remain the window of an old equation who has two daughters of her own, Drusilla and Anastasia. Ella welcomed her new stepfamily. Despite the stepsister's unpleasant attitude, when Ella's father goes about for the business, Lady Tremaine slowly reinforces her cruel and jealous nature as she uses Ella to give up her bedroom to the stepsister for the aesthetic when her father is during the trip. Lady Tremaine dismissed the household to save money and forces all of the chores on Ella one morning when her stepfamily sees Ella was covered in cinders. The two her sleeping by the fireplace for warmth. The mock Ella as Cinderella and forbid her from eating with them. Crushed by the cruelty, Ella rides up into the woods where she meets Kit the Clown. Franz, pushing as villains apparently along with his hunting party. Dog Ella is unaware of Kit's true identity. They both take a liking to each other's. The two far without Kit learning Ella name the King Newfound learning he has little them left to life. Argues Kit for the advantage of the kingdom. He shall take a princess for his bride at the upcoming royal ball. Kit pursued his father to also invite every eligible kingdom to the ball in hope of seeing Ella Newfound receiving notice of the ball. Ella finds a gown that belongs to her mother and decides to refashion it for the ball. On the night of the ball, Ella tries to join her stepfamily, but Lady Tremaine and her daughter ridiculed her up Ella's dress. Leaving without her, Ella runs into the garden in tears and meets an old beggar woman who reveals herself to be Ella. Fairy, the ball godmother, to help Ella attends the ball. Her fairy godmother magically transports a pumpkin into a gold and carries her fourth match into white horses to lizards into footmen and a gozer into the courtsmen. She transports Ella referred dress into gorgeous blue gown complete with a pair of magical glass slippers as Ella leaves for the ball. The fire godmother warns her the spell will break at the last stroke of the midnight. Finally, she casts a spell to keep Ella safe. Family from recognizing her at the ball. The entire course is entranced by Ella. When she appears, Ella and Kit process to her their first dance. This irritated the Grand Duke, who has promised Kit to Princess Selina of Zaragoza, a comment with Lady Tremaine over his wild surprise at Kit's true identity. Ella Nathless continued to bond with him during the flesh aground. As Ella is about to tell Kit her name, Ella hears the clock start to chime midnight, and please as she places the caster one of her slivers for off. After being pursued by the Grand Duke and his men, Ella managed to escape home before the final stroke of midnight came, causing the spill to wear off after. Returning home, Ella hid the remaining glass slivers left behind under the floorboard of her bedroom. The king flies away soon after, but not before giving his son permission to marry Ella. Now King Kit issued a royal proclamation ordering every maiden in the kingdom to try on their sliver and afford to find the Garris. Ella Harris to retrieve the glass slivers to prove her identity, only to find her stepmother holding it, having deduced that Ella is the mystery princess. The lady reminds her step down about her own tragic past and of the bitter effect it has cast in her life. She demanded to be made the heart of the royal household, and those respectable husbands are fought for the stepsister as condition art and blackmail in order to give Ella hand in marriage to Kit. When Ella refused to meet her demand, Lady Tremaine smashed the slivers and locked Ella in the attic. Lady Tremaine then that the shattered remains of the sliver to the Grand Duke, and he has him agree to make her a countess and securing marriage for her daughter. In exchange for giving Ella hidden, the Grand Duke and the captain of the guard lead the mission to find the mystery princess, but the magical sliver refused to fit any others maiden. When the arrived at the Tremaine estate, the sweet neighborhood of the stepsister the third to leave Ella singing of lavender's blue is hers. The Grand Duke tries to ignore this, but Kit disguises as a god, command the captain to investigate this missing lady. Tremaine's attempt to stop her. Ella is reunited with Kit. They leave the house as Ella offers forgiveness to her stepmother. Afterward, the fairy godmother stated that Ella's stepfamily and the Grand Duke left the kingdom never to return. Ella and Kit marry and eventually ground to become the land's most beloved monarch, ruling with the same courage and Kit musketness that Ella has promised her mother, leaving her helping efforts after. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.